In step number 7, we are going to complete any one of the colors. Find a pattern like this and keep it in the backwards, and we'll start the algorithm. Right counterclockwise, front clockwise, right counterclockwise, back clockwise twice, right clockwise, front counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, back clockwise twice, right clockwise twice. We completed the orange face. In step number 8, we will complete the cube. Keep the finished face in the backwards and we'll start the algorithm. Front clockwise twice, up counterclockwise, left counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, front clockwise twice, left clockwise, right clockwise, up counterclockwise, front clockwise twice. That's it. We solved the cube. Thank you. All the best.